Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix GMX mail login issues, account and security errors step by step clearly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable by opening a few other websites. Close the GMX tab or app completely and reopen it to refresh the session. Check that you are typing the correct GMX email address with no extra spaces. Type your password slowly and confirm caps lock is off on your keyboard. If you use a password manager, copy and paste once, then try typing manually if it fails. Click the GMX Forgot Password option if you are not 100% sure about the password. Complete the recovery process using your recovery email or phone, and set a new strong password. If you see account blocked or too many attempts, stop trying and wait 15 to 60 minutes. After waiting, try again from the same device and the same network to avoid extra security triggers. Open your browser settings and clear cache and cookies for GMX, then restart the browser. Try an incognito or private window to test if an extension or stored cookie is causing the issue. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers for the GMX login page. Update your browser to the latest version, because outdated browsers can cause login errors. If you are using the GMX app, update it from the App Store or Google Play. Restart your phone or computer to clear temporary network and security session problems. Check your device date and time settings, and set them to automatic to prevent certificate errors. If GMX shows a security check or CAPTCHA, complete it carefully and avoid refreshing repeatedly. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off and try logging in again, because GMX may flag unusual locations. If you are on public Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or a trusted home network for a cleaner login. Try another browser or another device to confirm whether the issue is device-specific. If you receive a suspicious login prevented message, open the GMX security email and confirm it is you. Go to GMX account security settings and review recent login activity for unknown devices. Immediately change your password if you see unfamiliar activity, and sign out of all sessions if available. Enable two-factor authentication if GMX offers it, and keep recovery options up to date. Check if GMX services are temporarily down by searching GMX status in your browser. Make sure your firewall or antivirus is not blocking GMX, then retry the login. If you are using an email client like Outlook, generate an app password if required and re-add the account. If the problem still continues, contact GMX support with the exact error message and the time it happened. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.